16th last question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. So here we have the tower. Okay. So let us consider ground level and the tower. Okay. This is the tower. AB is the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points. 2 points are there. Let us consider one point is C and another point is D. Okay. 2 points. At a distance of 4 meter. First distance is 4 meter from the foot of the tower. 4 meter. Another point is the distance of 9 meter. Okay, this is the 9 meter distance. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is given here. Angle of elevation from D to A and C to A. But what is the angle of elevation? That is not given here. They given that angle of elevation should be complementary. Angle of elevation will be complementary, they say. The angle of elevation at the top of the tower from the 2 point at a distance of 4 meter and the 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Complementary given here. So what is the meaning of complementary here?
So sum of two angles should be 180 degrees, sir.
90 degrees, sir.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Students are not listening the question. Complementary, supplementary, the meaning I think you forget. Supplementary and complementary. Supplementary means sum of the two angle is equal to 180 degree and complementary angle means sum of the two angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So now suppose if I say one angle is 30 degree. If one angle is 30 degree. If one angle is 30 degree, what about the another angle?
So 60 degrees. 90 minus 30. 60 degrees.
60 degree. Suppose if one angle is 50 degree, so what about the another angle?
So 90 minus 50 is equals to 40 degrees.
Okay, so suppose now if I will take one angle is theta. If one angle is theta, then what is the another angle?
90 minus theta.
Yes, 90 minus theta. So that is, we got the now angle of elevation over here. So here theta and 90 minus theta are the angle of elevation. So first I will take the triangle here ABC and height, actually we have to prove that 6 meter. In the question they said that we have to prove that height of the tower is 6 meter. Height of the tower is 6 meter, we have to prove. Okay, so let us start triangle ABC. So here we have the triangle ABC. ABC, that is a theta height and this is 4 meter. So the tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So here theta is theta only. So tan theta is h by 4. Okay, this is the one we have got the equation. Now another triangle we have to go for that. Another triangle. So in triangle ABD. Okay, in this triangle ABD. ABD. BD is 9 meter. This is the H. Angle is 90 minus theta. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So theta is given. That is not 90 minus theta it is. So tan 90 minus theta H by 9. So do you know in the trigonometry we have learned the complementary angle ratio. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cot, exactly correct.
Cot theta.
So cot theta I will write here. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta is equal to h by 9. This is equation 2. Okay. So now what I will do here, multiply 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 and 2. That is the tan theta into cot theta is equal to h by 4 into h by 9. So tan theta into cot theta is nothing but what?
One, sir.
H into h is h square. 4 9 ja 36. 36 multiply. So h square is equal to 36. So h is equal to root 36. So root 36 answer is 6. So what is the height of the tower?
6 meter.
6 meters.
6
Hence
meter.
proved.
Hence proved. Very good.